In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Play Store on ChromeOS Flex. So as you can see right here on this help article by Google Play, you can head over and install or use Android apps on your Chromebook. Your Chromebook will have that Chrome OS, so this is applicable on this case. First, you just need to get the Play Store application. To do that, head over right here and then click on the time onto your actual Chromebook. Then, under the settings, click on Apps and manage Google Play preferences. If you can find this option, that means your Chromebook doesn't work with Android apps. So in the window that will open, just click on More and then agree to the terms and service and in order to open and get your Google Play Store. So with this, you can just go to your Play Store or go to your bookstore or TV store and head over and then install the application from your Play Store right here, install app updates, as well as play games with those. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.